Hi everyone, by now you probably already know that the US CMA exam is changing. The old essay section is going away and the new case-based question or CBQs are moving in. We move past the announcement phase, now it's time to talk about what actually means for you in the exam hall. The syllabus and the topic you are studying haven't changed one bit, it's just the format that's getting a modern makeover. Let's look at exactly what you will see on the screen. Guys, instead of starting a blank page and typing a long essay, you will have a business story about 250 words long. After you read it, you will answer a set of interactive questions. Guys, you see the things like drag and drop, fill in the blanks, multiple choice question and drop downs. For the May-June 2026 window, you will have a choice. You can pick either the traditional essay format or the case-based query. However, by 2026 September, the choice is gone. All English exams globally will use case-based questions. And the hurdle rule hasn't changed. You still need to get at least 50% of your multiple choice question right before system even lets you see the cases. And the best news, partial credit still here. If you're doing a complex drag and drop and you'll get 3 out of 5 items right, you will still earn points. There is no negative marking. So never leave a question blank, just give your best shot. Since the contents is the same, your current books are still perfect. You just need to change how to practice. Just focus on accuracy, stop writing long notes. Instead of practicing how to structure a paragraph, practice how to analyze the data quickly. Use the simulation, go to the IMA website, try their exam simulation. It will show you exactly how the buttons and tools work so you don't waste time on the exam day. So let's start with simulation of your case-based questions. Okay, so I'll pin down this link on the comment. You can take down that, you can click on that link and you can also try this case-based questions before you go to the exam. Okay, so this is done after 20 MCQs. You'll have like 20 or 25 MCQs in this demo. After that, you will get this scenario-based question. You see there is one scenario and there is a second scenario, first scenario and second scenario. So once you click on the first scenario, it has a 6 sub questions. So if you click on this, you will be able to see the calculator, which is however you will be carrying. But you see this, click here to view scenario, click on that, read the scenario. You have an option to change this, you have plus minus to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, now once you read this scenario, you'll understand, like what I suggest is take down the paper, write down the points, because after each question, like you no need to click on the scenario, understand the question first. Okay, so this is the scenario. Once we are done reading the scenario, we have to sort down the questions. See here, what is the amount of manufacturing overhead hold? The scenario is based on hold manufacturing, apply for its first year of operation. So what it is, they are asking a manufacturing overhead. So first we have to calculate the predetermined rate and multiply based on their hours. So whatever the answer, usually in the MCQs you were selecting, but here you have to type this out. So the manufacturing overhead is $256 and $250. Okay, so here's $256, $250. That's it. Next, now you have a scenario on the left side, so you have to complete the sentence since what the halt was doing. So if you click on this, there is a multiple drop down. So what the halt was doing, halt was under applied overhead. Since halt was under applied overhead, the cost of goods sold will be understated and the gross profit will be overstated. When the cost of goods sold is understated and the gross profit. So this is how you will complete the sentence. See, it is very easier than the essay, right? It's very easier than the essay. Next part is, this is little bit new and thing. So where you have to read the scenario. Halt is currently using a normal costing, but is considering activity. See, they are using a normal, now we want to go to ABC. To allocate the manufacturing overhead, we should use the mouse to drag down this like this. We have to the step need to implement in the correct order. We have to do this. So first what we will do, we'll identify the overhead activities and determine the cost of each activity. First step is done. Next, the cost driver for each activity. We have to identify the cost driver. Next, calculate the activity allocation rate. We'll calculate the rate and then allocate cost of for each products. This is how you will do them. Like it's something like a drop down. Okay. Click on the next. The same scenario. So the question is same, but usually MCQs we have one options. Okay, but here you see we have two answers is there. So you have to read the question and select your answer basically. Suppose if the answer is like A and C, you will be able to see like you will be able to select two options. Okay, done. This is basically a simple MCQ. So click on the option, move on. So here also there is a two answers. So what you can do, you can select your answers based on this. Employee would be more motivated and lower level management would receive. Okay? So this is how the simulation of case-based studies. And if you want, you can go to the scenario 2. You see the 7 to 12. And yeah, if you click on this, your scenario will get loaded. Again, you have a scenario X, Y, and Z, number of units sold, all this. See. So it is not like this case base will be from only particular one section. One case might be covering your entire sections or might be multiple sections. Okay. And once you've done this, usually what you do on the essay, same way you can finish the test and close this. Okay. Guys, this new exam is faster, more objective and designed for the modern accountant. Use the simulation, stay focused on your core concept. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.